Utah County is close to hiring a defense attorney to represent the man allegedly behind the shooting at UVU.
Yeah, because prosecutors are seeking the death penalty, the cost to taxpayers is expensive. KSL legal analyst Greg Skordas is helping the county select the attorney.
He spoke with news specialist Brian Carlson about the selection process. Brian, how pricey is this going to get?
Well, Brooke and Tamara, we're talking hundreds of thousands of dollars at a minimum. That's really going to depend on who they hire. Now, we want to make it clear, Skordas is only helping find an attorney to represent Robinson, but he's not directly involved in prosecuting or defending him. Either way, finding an attorney who will represent him is not an easy task. That attorney to represent the accused shooter, Tyler Robinson, begins with finding counsel qualified to handle the death penalty. That automatically limits the pool of potential lawyers who could do it and means looking outside the lawyers the county contracts as public defenders. The Utah County attorney doesn't want to pick his own opponent in the courtroom, so he's asked KSL legal analyst Greg Skordas to assist them in their search. Skordas says there are only 20 to 30 qualified attorneys there in the state who could do it, but they have had interest from law firms nationwide. We're talking California, Texas, even Maryland.
You know, death penalty cases are expensive. In some parts of the country, they can be $1 million or more. Utah doesn't have that kind of a budget, and really none of our counties have that kind of a budget. So we're looking at how we can get good lawyers to work within the budget that we have.
Now, Skordas declined to say what the county budget is for Robinson's representation, but explained they want to hire the right attorney now so they don't have to revisit this case years later. Given the high-profile nature of the case, it can draw in attention from high firms looking to be a part of it, but also make it more difficult to find a qualified candidate who has the time to dedicate to the case and is willing to deal with the expected publicity. So as for where they're at right now, Skordas says they're currently discussing the contract with a candidate who would take on the case for Robinson, and Skordas expects the county will make that hire today. Back to you.
It's interesting to hear the insides on that type of process, Brian. Thank you.